Donna Peppercorn here with breaking news for commercial building owners that are considering solar. Let's check out some solar panel installations. I totally know how to fly this, by the way.
In Southern California, there is no shortage of sunshine, and there's also no shortage of fly-by-night solar panel companies trying to get you to sign on the dotted line. Whoa! Okay, she's clearly never flown a drone before.
I heard that voiceover guy. I got this.
Well, solar panels are a great way to absorb sunlight as a source of energy, which can then be used to generate electricity. That part we all know. But how large of a rooftop do I need? What if my building is partially shaded? Do I have to change my HVAC system? Air-Tro has been around for over 50 years, and our representatives can help you understand both the positive and negative considerations of going solar. A great solar system can significantly lower your operating costs year-round, locking in low energy rates for years to come. With energy unit rates continuing to skyrocket, business owners concerned about their bottom line are taking note.
Not to mention the federal tax credits.
Not to mention the federal tax credits.
Hey, how do you know if these panels are working?
Basically, you'll know when you get your energy bill. They will be a fraction of what they were when you were relying on conventional energy sources.
So, is this a pretty serious investment?
Donna, this is not a question and answer session. I'm a professional voiceover artist.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Panel installation is a serious investment, and a high-quality solar system is not cheap. But the day-to-day savings on energy will be significant. With the money you'll save, you can probably buy a new drone in no time. One of those nice ones that shoots 4K, like the one on the news van.
So, there you have it. Don't just jump on the solar panel bandwagon. Let the professionals at Air-Tro walk you through it.
Contact your HVAC professionals at Air-Tro today and find the best solution for your indoor comfort needs.